we'll guide you through how to install add-ons in Garry's mod. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and liking the video. Installing mods is pretty straightforward. All you do is boot up your game, and once inside the main menu, there's the add-ons section here, which you go ahead and click. Once you're in your add-on section, these are all the installed add-ons. We just need to hit this trending button right here, and this will open up all the add-ons we can get for Garry's mod. You can choose which one you want, if it's a game mode, a map, a weapon, a tool. We'll just go for a map here. These are all the maps that we can choose from. For example, if you wanted this Mario Brothers map, we just hover on it and click install. This download will start on the bottom hand side. Once the download is completed, you can just go back to menu, start new game, and your map will appear right here. If you just open it up, it will load all nicely. It was very simple and quick. And as you can see, the map has loaded up nicely. We are inside. Now if we go back to the main menu, click on disconnect, we can try this out for one more thing as well. And this time I want to download an NPC. So same thing, add-ons, trending, NPCs. Let's look at the one we want. For example, these British NPCs and player models from COD 2. Just hover over them, click install and confirm. It will end up downloading, and I'll see you in the game once it's downloaded. Now that we're in the game, we can just go ahead and press our Q button. It will bring up the menu. Inside this menu, we have our NPC section. If you click on it and click on any one of these mods, they will end up spawning right in front of you like so. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Peace.